Welcome back to the Late Night Tool Catechism. I'm in the middle of trying to put an epoxy coating on a basement floor. Had a little concrete that was rough, and then I remember I had this guy. It was one of those inside track deals that I bought a long time ago and forgot about. To work, I thought I could just hold a shop vac hose nearby and give it a spin, and then I filled the room with dust. And that was shitty. We're going to try out this guy, Hercules Surface Grinding Dust Shroud. It has a bunch of adapters and a hose and this jobby. To start off with, going to put it on the Bosch because that should have enough gelt to grind what I need to grind. I'll open this guy up. When you use a knife, be careful. Actually a nice sturdy looking setup. Apparently this is, you spin this, you can expose part of your blade. Snaps into place. Whole lot of rings, clamping mechanism. Let's put it on the grinder. So my grinder is a Bosch 1810. To take the factory guard off, you spin it all the way like so, backwards. Comes right off. The dust shroud seems to fit all right without any of these spacers. And up a little bit, clamp down that jobby. Everything looks to spin all right. Put the Baur wheel back on. We'll see if we can do this without filling the house with dust and causing a lot more work. Oh, and we got this adapter hose here with this end and hooks on there. We'll see what we can do. The vac set up, staged, and ready. There was some damage to the concrete here. I filled this with some Dunham's rock hard putty. The adapter is actually pretty nice. Look at that. Just hooks right to the big shop vac. Open it up. Run it up next to the steps. 30 bucks. You can't beat it, of course. If I would have bought it, a day ago, I had 20% off everything. But hey, 30 bucks. And hours and hours of not having to dust the house and deal with the repercussions of where did all this dust come from? I'm going to say this thing is a win. Thanks for watching. I hope you're going to enjoy whatever you're going to be up to next. Talk to you later. Bye. Oh, subscribe and all that stuff. Here's the finished results of all the concrete planing we did. The epoxy is on. It turned out really very nice.